How to join Discord servers on mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Discord application, then log into your account. Now, in order to join a server, what you will have to do is tap on this plus icon. Now, if you want to create your own server, simply tap on create my own. You can get several templates over here, but if you have an invite, simply tap on join a server. Now, in order to join an existing server, you will need a Discord invite link. If you have that, simply paste over here and then tap on join with invite link. Or you can also join a student hub and then add your email address from your uni or your school here and then join the hub. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.